Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get your game sound and the audio from your PlayStation 5 come through your TV speaker. So press the PlayStation button on your controller, scroll on down to where it says sound, and then go to output device on the top. Select this, and you can switch it from your headset over to your TV. And then you can still use your headset to speak to people in the party chat. Otherwise, you can go over to mic right here, and you can switch the mic from your headset to your wireless controller. And then you can use this as a microphone. Now, another way to do this is if we go up to top, go to settings, and then we scroll on down to sound, go to where it says output device, go to the right, scroll on down under here, and there is this one option, it's called output to headphones. We have all the audio coming through our headphones right now. If we go to voice chat, only the voice chat will come through our headphones, and then the rest will come through our TV. So you can just switch that over right there, and you should be good to go. Also, there's an option under here called switch output device automatically. If we disable this, it will always just revert back to the default here, whatever we had selected. Instead of if you plug in a new headset, it's going to switch over to the new headset. So you can just select TV on the top and then go to switch output device automatically and turn this off. It'll always come through your TV now. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.